Pushes on to get the booster shots for LA County residents, especially those in communities of color. Meantime, we're closing in on the deadline for LAUSD students to get their second dose of the vaccine. Circle of Health reporter Denise Dodor has more.
Nearly 1 million booster doses of COVID-19 vaccine have been administered to LA County residents. Carrie Etheridge of South Pasadena did not delay.
This is still very much a public health crisis, and I think we all need to do whatever we can to turn the tide of that.
Among the 4.8 million residents eligible for boosters, uptake has been the lowest in the hardest hit, highest need zip codes. Nearly 7% of those who live in communities of color have received booster shots, compared to nearly 13% in other zip codes.
The vaccines are needed to be given to the most affected communities.
Dr. Ilan Shapiro, AltaMed's medical director of health education, says many Latinos and African Americans are essential workers, which makes access to appointments challenging.
It's very hard to stop working and go back and do it again. And a lot of the employment arrangements are extremely hard for them to just jump from one job to another and just take a day or like a couple of hours just to get the vaccine.
He also adds much more work needs to be done to explain to people why a third shot is needed. At the same time, efforts to get the unvaccinated vaccinated continues.
Among LA Unified students, 79% have received one or both of their shots or have qualified for medical exemptions. The deadline to get their second dose is December 15th.
California has enough vaccines to vaccinate all of the age group, and that's important to note. In the last 2 weeks, we've seen children getting the vaccine, and we want to continue seeing that.
California health officials say unvaccinated people are 16.5 times more likely to die from COVID-19. Doctors say how the rest of this year turns out depends on us.
The more people are protected, the harder it will be for the virus to jump from one person to another.
Denise Dodor, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.